Are you in the market for a new luxury timepiece, but struggling to decide which Rolex model is right for you? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to be discussing which Rolex models should you buy or pass. Whether you're a seasoned watch collector or a first-time Rolex buyer, this video is a must. Watch if you want to make an informed decision and find the Rolex that's right for you. Let's get started. Rolex Datejust. The Rolex Datejust is one of the most iconic timepieces in the world and is widely considered to be one of the best Rolex watches available. Its timeless design and impeccable craftsmanship make it a great choice for both men and women who want a watch that is both stylish and functional. With a variety of sizes, materials, and dial colors to choose from, there is a Rolex Date just to suit every taste and occasion. The Datejust also features a self-winding movement, which means that it does not require batteries or manual winding, making it a low-maintenance option for watch enthusiasts. If you're considering purchasing a Rolex Datejust, you should be aware that it is not a cheap watch, and the price can vary greatly depending on the model and features you choose. With its classic design, exceptional craftsmanship, and reliable performance, the Datejust is a watch that you will cherish and enjoy for years to come. Rolex Oyster Perpetual. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual is considered one of the best Rolex watches on the market today. With its classic design, impeccable craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology, this watch is a true testament to the brand's dedication to quality and innovation. Made from high-quality materials, including stainless steel and 18K gold, the Oyster Perpetual is built to last and can withstand even the toughest conditions. Its automatic movement ensures accuracy and reliability, and its waterproof and dustproof design makes it suitable for any environment. Additionally, the watch's timeless design and versatility make it suitable for any occasion, whether it be a formal event or a day out on the town. While the Rolex Oyster Perpetual is certainly an investment, its durability and longevity make it a worthwhile one. For those in the market for a luxury timepiece, the Oyster Perpetual is definitely worth considering. However, for those who are not in the market for a high-end watch or who prefer a more modern or sporty design, it may be better to pass on the Oyster Perpetual and explore other options. Ultimately, the decision to buy or pass on the Rolex Oyster Perpetual will depend on individual preferences and priorities. Before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to get notifications of the latest video uploads. The Rolex Daytona. The Rolex Daytona is a luxury chronograph watch that has become a symbol of elegance and status. With its sleek design and reliable movement, the Daytona has gained a reputation as one of the best watches in the world. The watch is made from the highest quality materials and features a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal that protects the face of the watch. The Daytona's automatic movement ensures precision and accuracy, and its water-resistant design makes it suitable for any environment. The watch's design is classic and timeless, and it is perfect for both formal and casual occasions. The Daytona's popularity among collectors has led to an increase in value over the years, making it a valuable investment for those who choose to purchase it. However, the Daytona is also a very expensive watch, and it may not be the best choice for those on a tight budget. Additionally, the Daytona's popularity means that it is often difficult to obtain, and buyers may have to wait months or even years to acquire one. Overall, the Rolex Daytona is an exceptional watch that offers both style and functionality. Rolex Explorer. The Rolex Explorer is an iconic watch that has been a favorite among adventurers and watches enthusiasts to buy for decades. Its sturdy design and reliable movement make it the perfect choice for those who love to explore and discover new places. The watch's durable steel construction and scratch-resistant sapphire crystal ensure that it can withstand even the toughest conditions. The Explorer's simple and understated design makes it a versatile watch that can be worn with any outfit or for any occasion. Its sleek black dial with luminous markers ensures easy readability even in low-light conditions. The Explorer is also water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it suitable for swimming and snorkeling. While the Explorer may not be the most expensive or sought after Rolex watch, it is certainly one of the most practical and reliable for those who value durability, functionality, and a classic design. The Explorer is an excellent choice. Rolex Air King. The Rolex Air King is a watch that embodies the perfect balance between simplicity and elegance. It is an icon in the world of aviation watches and has been around for over 70 years. The Air King's automatic movement is extremely precise, making it a dependable timepiece for any occasion. Its stainless steel construction and scratch-resistant sapphire crystal ensure that it can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. The watch's versatile design allows it to be worn with a suit or casually, and its understated elegance ensures that it will never go out of style. One of the best things about the Air King is its affordability compared to other Rolex watches. While it may not have the same price tag as a Daytona or a Submariner, it still possesses the same quality and craftsmanship that the brand is known for. The Air King's affordability makes it an excellent entry-level Rolex watch for those who are just starting to build their watch collection. In addition to its affordability, the Air King also has a rich history. The watch was originally designed to honor the pilots of the British Royal Air Force during World War II, and its name reflects the brand's commitment to aviation. That's all for today. Which one of these watches would like to buy? Please let us know in the comment below, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified the next time we upload. Thanks for watching.